Manufacturing and processing industries involve the transformation of raw materials into finished or semi-finished products. These industries are vital for employment creation, value addition, import substitution, and foreign exchange earnings. However, Zimbabwe's manufacturing sector has faced several challenges that have hindered its growth and contribution to national development. Below are challenges, explained with examples. 1. Erratic power supply. Zimbabwe suffers from frequent electricity shortages and load shedding, which disrupt industrial production, damage machinery, and increase operational costs. Example: companies in Harare's Southerton and Graniteside industrial areas often resort to costly diesel generators due to power cuts, reducing profitability. 2. Lack of capital and investment. Most industries lack access to affordable loans and have limited capital for retooling, expansion, or raw material procurement due to economic instability. Example: the textile industry in Bulawayo, once a major employer, collapsed due to lack of capital and outdated machinery. 3. Use of outdated technology. Many factories operate with obsolete equipment, leading to low productivity, high maintenance costs, and poor quality goods that can't compete internationally. Example: the Zimbabwe Iron and Steel Company, ZISCO, has struggled to resume operations due to old equipment and lack of modernization. 4. Poor infrastructure. Zimbabwe has poor transport and communication systems, which increase the cost of production and slow down the movement of raw materials and finished goods. Example: poor road networks in rural areas like Shireji and Gokwe hinder the transportation of cotton and sugarcane to processing industries. 5. Shortage of foreign currency. Industries depend on imported inputs like machinery, raw materials, and chemicals. Foreign currency shortages make it hard to acquire these necessities. Example: the pharmaceutical and plastic manufacturing sectors struggle to import key inputs, leading to low output or closure. 6. High cost of inputs. Electricity, water, fuel, and raw materials are often unreliably supplied and expensive, making production costs uncompetitive compared to regional producers. Example: Zimbabwean-made goods often cost more than imports from South Africa or China, reducing local demand. 7. Economic instability and inflation. Hyperinflation and fluctuating exchange rates create an unpredictable business environment, discouraging long-term planning and foreign direct investment. Example: the instability of the Zimbabwe dollar makes it hard for manufacturers to set prices or import goods. 8. Shortage of skilled labor. Brain drain has led to the migration of skilled workers to neighboring countries. Industries suffer from lack of qualified engineers, technicians, and managers. Example: many young graduates from universities in Zimbabwe migrate to South Africa, Botswana, and beyond for better opportunities. 9. Limited market and competition from imports. Cheap imports, especially from China and South Africa, flood the local market, leading to low demand for locally produced goods. Example: the local furniture and shoe industries in towns like Mutare and Masvingo have collapsed due to cheaper imported alternatives. 10. Government policy inconsistency. Frequent changes in economic policies, unclear investment laws, and bureaucratic delays discourage industrial growth and investor confidence. Example: the indigenization policy and unclear investment rules in the past led to the withdrawal of many international investors.